Alright, to make ringtones for the iPhone, you want this right here. It's probably a shitty ass camera, but it's called iRinger. Google it, download it, you're set to go. Once you download that, we will open it up. Open. Yes, run. There you go. Now wherever you have your music, once you download it, add a CD, wherever you save it to, blah blah blah, whatnot, you'll come right here to import. Click on import, it'll bring up the file or wherever it is. Like I said, just search for wherever you have your music. Select your song, which I've already, let's see, I've made this one. Well, Godsmack, how's this? Alright, it'll sit there and it'll convert video. Alright, there you go. It shows the first 30 seconds of the song. Speakers. Alright. You'll see, well, Alright, so it's about at 23 seconds. I'm gonna scroll on over and make me another one right here. We'll see. Yeah, good enough. Alright, you got the 30 seconds that you would want of it or whatnot. So now you play there to see which one it is you want or whatnot. Come over here to export. Export. Yes. That's the one you want, and just go. It's creating the ringtone. The ringtone Godsmack I Stand Alone has been created. Okay, we'll check that, minimize that, come on down here to iTunes, and there you go. The easiest way to make the ringtones, people, I promise. It's better than getting the file, making a copy of it, going and changing it from MP3 or ACC to MP4, stuff like that. This makes it so much simpler. Like I said, it's called iRinger. That's what you need, buddy. Get that and you're set to go. You'll be making ringtones before you know it.